Now that we've selected a fantastic bottle for this risotto, I think it's a perfect time for a wine opening tutorial. I'll grab my handy dandy wine key, this one issued by the Culinary Institute of America, and extend the serrated knife apparatus, cut cleanly around the foil neck of the bottle, pop that right off in order to expose the cork. Then we extend the corkscrew element of the wine key. Use your thumb to hold it directly in the center of the cork and turn in a clockwise fashion until it's about 3/4 of the way submerged. Once there, we're going to extend our 4 fingers over the front end of the wine key and use leverage to jostle and wiggle and eventually pop the cork right out of the bottle. Give it a little whiff to make sure the bottle is not corked. This one's all right. Remove the cork from the corkscrew. And of course, you must pour yourself a taste to make sure the wine is suitable for the preparation. Swirl it around a bit and let the wine breathe. Let all those beautiful aromas come out. Now go ahead and immerse yourself in the subtleties and nuances of the wine and allow its distinctive characteristics to permeate the senses. Go ahead and give it a taste, and well, as you can tell from my reaction, I think we made the right choice. It's been an absolute pleasure sharing this with all of you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Pursuit of Passion. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and remember, please be well on your pursuit of passion. Cheers.